Okay, this is going to be final part of part 3 of watching this pattern. So if you've seen the other two, you can see that it lingered around this current consolidation a little longer than I thought. But again, it's getting to the 15 EMA and moving up from there, a good support level. Here we have a current bar on the 5-minute chart that looks like it's trying to make, the next leg up of this pattern. It's currently trading at 28.83, just above the previous highs. We'll see what happens there, if it can, get clearly closed on that bar above that level. Well, there it closed and it's above it, but we'll see if that's keeps moving stronger. By the way, I thought I'd show why I think this was going to roughly 28.90 this morning with this pattern. Let me jump to kind of a several day view of what's going on, and here's my cursor, and you can see we had a big move down the other day, and then we've been moving just kind of in a consolidation pattern. And what you can see is here's us moving up, and with this big move down, there's, here's a resistance level up here, so there's solid resistance right around 28.90, maybe 88. And so that's why my belief was if you could break out of this level here, which was 28.80, that you would run to about 28.90. And while we're talking, our trade is going good. We are up at 28.85. Stochastic powering through on the 2, on the 4, on the 15. All looks good. This is my third entry into this trade, and this is going to be it for me. I actually got to get on a plane to China in a few minutes, but here's my ladder. I was just trying to get a 200 gain, and if I can get that, I think I'll call it a day. If I get that, I'll have to do the math, but it's gonna be, I don't know, 10, 12, 15 point day for me in roughly an hour, trading from, I want to say, about 7:30 to 8:30. So these days feel good. It shows that my methodology seems to be sound in predicting patterns going where I want. And then the other thing that I've kind of learned this week that's been real helpful to me is that 6:30 to 7 o'clock half hour can be obviously very powerful, a lot of volume up and down. I've found I think I do better once it settles into more of a pattern. I know it won't do that every day, but if I wait and start trading maybe around 7 instead of 6:30, what I can see is much more predictable. So this is 4 minutes in. Maybe we'll watch this. It will end up with me 3 5-minute videos. So we'll watch this either until the 5-minute ends or until I hit my target, which is 28.85.25. If I wasn't getting on a plane to leave, I would probably keep watching this pattern and see if it does the same, see if it keeps pulling back. Eventually it won't. Every trend will end, but as long as it's doing this, it is certainly helping my cause. So anyway, good day trading. This will be the final part 3 of kind of following this trend up and watching how we trade it. And hopefully that was helpful, and maybe I'll do more of these. It's actually maybe a little therapeutic in my learning process to watch this happen. And I might hold for just a second because we are on the verge. I was going to end at 5. We're right at 5. And we are, if I look at my chart, I am at the verge of hitting my target for this final 4 points. So we'll see what happens if I look at statistics. Still up on the 5. Looks like it might be kind of crossing, so it might consolidate here and go sideways for a while. We'll have to see. But if it could push up just a few ticks would be good. Okay, I'm not going to hold the video for it, but anyway you look at it, it's going to be a good day. Thanks for watching.